Well, what's up guys? It's Matt Leicht, your local Sarasota realtor, and today we are back here again at Talon Preserve, and I am so excited to take you through the Trailside floor plan. The Trailside is just over 2,600 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, it's 3 bathrooms, and get this, it's really unique because it can be built on both the Scenic Series as well as the Distinctive Series home sites, which means it can have a 2-car garage or a 3-car garage. So let's go ahead, let's go inside and let's take a look. As you enter into the Trailside, you're gonna find your stairs to your 2nd floor as well as a storage closet right off the entry. And then as you come through, you're gonna find a level 1 vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire 1st floor. In this kitchen, the designer paired a level 3 quartz countertop along with a level 3 cabinetry. And the cool thing about this is what they did in the structural design is they opted to do a gourmet kitchen. And what that means is rather than your push-in range stove with your microwave up here, they've got these beautiful stainless steel built-ins that kind of go right into your cabinets, and then a range hood that goes right outside. Also in the Trailside, what you have is on the 1st floor, you've got a bedroom and a full bathroom. And then off to the other wing in the kitchen, you've got your dining room table. So as you come upstairs, with this being a 2-story floor plan, there is a ton of space up here that I can't wait to show you. It kind of acts like a split floor plan. Over here, you've got 2 bedrooms, a common bathroom in the middle, and then on the other side of the 2nd floor, you've got your owner's suite and another bedroom, and you get an upstairs laundry room, so you don't have to go up and down the stairs doing your laundry. So if you want to know how much this home costs, what the base price is, go ahead and click the link in the video description below to download the price sheet. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do you secure a home site here in Talon Preserve? Builders all over Sarasota have gone from auctions to first come, first serve. Just give me a call, shoot me a text, drop me an email, and we'll go ahead and we'll start that conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.